Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can manage taxation on document and why place of supply is important in document. So first of all, you need to go to all modules, click on sales and purchase. Now here one of the OC is created in my draft. So I will open this particular OC and click on edit and save. Now in this OC, please check the place of supply is Mumbai, as because my delivery location is of Mumbai, but the buyer detail is of Bihar. So if I will go below, I will see that CGST and SGST is applied, which is as per the delivery location. But I want for the e-way bill and taxation that the place of supply should be applied on the Bihar address and IGST should get displayed. How you can make the changes? So here you will get an option of place of supply button. Click on this. Once I selected Bihar place of supply, please check if I will go below. Here the IGST is being displayed. So this is how you can manage the place of supply. You can quickly just select the button on the delivery location, supplier detail, buyer detail, and accordingly the place of supply will get changed and also the taxation will get changed. I would request to please check with your document, please check place of supply as per your requirement in term of taxation. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to manage place of supply. Have a good day ahead.